We shall take a virtual tour of a 3D modeled discrete manufacturing setup to help us understand better step by step, yet an integrated manufacturing process as well as environment. Note: this is just an illustrative example to explain some key functions and process, and not a replica or copy of any specific manufacturing setup with limited equipments, machines, and functions. Earlier in this course, we learned specific lessons on topics such as types of manufacturing, such as discrete, process, etc., various traditional manufacturing processes such as metal cutting, forming, joining, etc. Procurement Department. Procurement Department is responsible for procuring materials such as raw materials, semi-finished material, other purchased or bought out items, consumables, etc., to support the production plan. Design and Development. Design and development function is primarily responsible for all product development, design, product innovation, and other such engineering activities. Planning. Companies, depending on their size, complexities, and business requirements, structure their planning departments accordingly. Note: however, for now in this example, we shall consider only two aspects, one which deals with manufacturing planning, and the other which deals with production planning. Typically, manufacturing planning is more about manufacturing process planning, such as developing process, routing sheets, make or buy decisions, dies, jigs, fixtures, tools planning, etc. While production planning is more about developing production plans, such as monthly, weekly, daily production plans are responsible for controlling such plans to ensure schedules adherence, variations, reasons, corrective actions. We shall know more about this as we get into the specific lessons. Stores or incoming functions are responsible for storage of all incoming material based on purchase orders issued by Procurement Department. Such stores are generally called incoming goods stores. This department is also responsible for issue of material to production shops based on issue slips or notes received by them. Production or manufacturing department is primarily responsible for actual execution of manufacturing process, as per the production plans available from Production Planning Department. This department is responsible for producing on-time quality products, reduce costs of production by improving productivity, efficiency, and utilization of all available resources. Typically, maintenance and tools department support the production department, ensure machines are up and running to its rated capacity, as well all necessary tools and other supporting manufacturing aids such as jigs, fixtures, dies are available for smooth manufacturing. An assembly section is a manufacturing process in which parts are added as the semi-finished assembly moves from workstation to workstation, where the parts are added in sequence until the final assembly is produced. Quality is a key function, which has its role to play across the entire manufacturing process, from incoming goods inspections, to in-process quality, to final quality, to goods being shipped out to customers. Generally, this function also manages finished goods stores, which involves storing all finished products. Packaging and transportation of such finished goods happens to customers based on demand or dispatch notes received by finished goods stores. This is a walkthrough of a generic setup. However, it changes based on specific processes and working of an organization.